This cornbread recipe was made after a lot of trials and errors to meet my husband's preference and expectations. He said he loves this cornbread because of the consistency. It's nicely crumbled and moist. It tastes smooth and a little bit sweet, not too sweet. Also, it goes well with any meat dish. He asks me to make this bread every week. According to my experiments, the consistency varies depending on humidity in the kitchen or brands of flour. Enjoy the process to figure out your favorite consistency by adjusting the amount of oat milk. I hope you like it. I'll put the recipe and the ingredients in the end of the video for your later use. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel not to miss any Japanese home cooking in America. Ingredients for 1 loaf: 7.5 inches of baking pan, egg, oil, oat milk, corn flour, tapioca flour, rice flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. I experimented a variety of oil, but for me, canola oil is the best. Alright, let's get started. At first, preheat the oven to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Crack an egg in a bowl and whisk it. Add oil and mix together. Add oat milk 6.5 ounces or 200 cc and mix together. Add corn flour and mix lightly. It's okay to measure the flour roughly with a measuring cup. Add rice flour and tapioca flour in a bowl and mix slowly. If it's hard to mix, add oat milk up to 1.5 ounces or 30 cc. If you add more than that, the butter would be too soft, which means the bread would not be crumbled enough. Add sugar, salt, and baking powder and mix together. Don't worry, hot butter is better for this cornbread. This is a tip. 1.5 inches of parchment paper will help to get cornbread out from the baking pan after baking. Transfer the butter into a baking pan. Maybe you can see how hard the butter is from this view. It's all about the amount of the oat milk. As I said earlier, the consistency of the bread varies depending on the humidity in the kitchen or brands of flour. Enjoy the process to figure out your favorite consistency by adjusting the amount of oat milk. Bake it in the oven to 370 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Cool it down before cutting. I can make 7 pieces from here. This is the nicely crumbled and moist cornbread. It's always the best to eat this bread just after baking. Itadakimasu! Enjoy your meal with this bread. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. Finally, I will put the recipe and ingredients. This is the recipe in English. And the recipe in Japanese. Here is ingredients. Again, thank you for watching. If you like my video, subscribe now. There's more upcoming videos. See you in the next one. またね